Are you looking to launch your first ecom store in 2025 and want an easy way to do it? Well, I'm going to show you how you can launch your first storefront funnel inside ClickFunnels. And what's really cool is I'm going to show you the dropshipping way, where you don't need to make your own products and ship it yourself. You'll basically source products from other businesses, and when they make a purchase, that business will do all of the fulfillment. They'll pack it, they'll ship it out on your behalf. So this is probably the easiest, quickest way to get your first ecom store up and running in 2025. Now, if you are like me, you're always on the hunt for sales funnels that you can use to grow your business. So I've been building out all of these sales funnels templates. Tons of them are lead squeeze funnels to collect people's contact information, turn them into leads for your business. I have ecom funnels as well. And I'm always updating this Notion spreadsheet. Now, if you want access to this, I'm actually giving out this sales funnel templates library for free. If you click the link in my description and fill out the form, I'll give you free access to this templates library. And I'll also send you to this 10-day ecom website challenge. Okay, it's by the One Funnel Away program, where they basically teach you how to launch your entire ecom business from start to finish. Okay, so the storefront funnel I'm going to show you how to build today is 3 simple steps. Okay, and it also depends on how many products you have on your main storefront page, which is step 1. So this is basically your storefront. This is where you list out all of the products that you sell. Now, when they click on any of the products, they will get taken to step 2, which is the order page, where they'll learn more about that specific product from your storefront, and they can make a purchase. So here you can sell your own products that you make, or you can follow the dropshipping model, where you can connect any products that you've sourced elsewhere, and then that other company will pack it and ship it out to your customer. Now, after they make the purchase, they will get taken to the confirmation page, where they will get the receipt and learn more about next steps from you. Now, ClickFunnels makes it really easy to launch your storefront page because they provide you with all of these free templates. So to view any template, just click on Preview Template. Let's take a look at this green one. Okay, so this is the first step of the storefront funnel. I really like this green color scheme right here. I also like how they have a section for testimonials, and then this is the section for your products. So this is your storefront. So this is where you list out all of your products. You can also add your main product at the very top right here that maybe you want to encourage people to purchase. So to add this template into your ClickFunnels account, just click on Add to My Account. Okay, so now it is installed in my account. So as you can see, this is the first step, second step, which is the order form, and then the last step is the thank you page. Now, one thing you'll notice is this yellow icon right here. So it says this step expects products to be attached. Okay, so we need to attach our product on the order form. So I'm going to click on this yellow button, and here is where we add our products. Now, you can manually add products that maybe you make yourself, or you can follow the dropshipping method, where you can connect other businesses' products into your funnel. So let's do the dropshipping method. Now, in order for me to do that, I need to go to my Zendrop account. So Zendrop is meant for drop shipping. So you can find all types of products, and then you can connect it directly with your ClickFunnels account, and then you can sell any product from Zendrop inside your ClickFunnels storefront page. Okay, so to find products, just go to Find Products on the left-hand side, and on the right is where you can search and browse. Let me search for gardening, and let's see what kind of gardening products I can sell for my storefront page. Now, I chose gardening because our funnel is kind of that green theme and it ties to gardening. So let's try to go this route. This heavy duty gardening kit kind of looks unique and valuable, right? So I'm going to click on Add to my products. And then let's also add this gardening work mat. I think that's very helpful to have. And how about this message in a planter? I'm gonna click on add to my products. Now, if you wanna do a little bit more research, you can actually click into the product, take a look at some additional photos here, read the description, just to make sure it's something that you really want to sell. You can see the product cost here, the average shipping time, and also the various variants as well. So we have here this green 10 pieces and 2 orange ones. One has 10 pieces and then the other one has 8 pieces. So once you do all of your research and add them to your products, then click on My Products on the left-hand side. And then what we want to do is click on Review and Publish for each one. Okay, so we can edit the product name here, the product type, can also edit the description, the variants, and also images. So I'm gonna click on Publish to my store and then go back to my products, click on Import List, and then I'm gonna do the same for these remaining 2 right here. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to my ClickFunnels account, then click on Add a Product. Now, by the way, before you can add products into your ClickFunnels account, you do need to connect your Zendrop account inside ClickFunnels, and it's very easy to set up. If you click on Store on the left-hand side, there should be a button somewhere on here that will take you step by step on connecting your Zendrop account, and it's very easy. It takes about 1 minute to set up, so you shouldn't have to worry about that part. So I'm gonna go back to my funnel here, then click on Add Product, and here are the 3 products I added, right? The 3 garden products. So I'm gonna click on Select Product. So that's my heavy duty gardening tool, the green one. And then I'm also going to add this one. And lastly, I'm going to add this planter here. And now we are all set. So all of these 3 products are tied to this order form. So this is one option, or you can duplicate this order form 2 times and then connect only 1 product per order form. So whenever they click on that specific product on your main storefront page, they can get taken to the exact order form. Okay, so if you want to do that, we can click on these 3 dots here, then click on Clone Page, and here is the copy. So now I'm going to click on this yellow icon again, click on Add Product, and then only select that single product. Okay, so let's maybe do the work mat. This might be a more organized way to split up your products into different order forms. Okay, now for the first order form, let's just delete these 2 right here, and then just keep this heavy duty gardening tool. So we have that gardening tool for this first order form, and then we have the gardening mat for this second order form. Now we are going to edit the storefront page, which is the first step of our funnel. And this is the ClickFunnels drag and drop builder. So it's very easy to change anything. So for this headline here, we can just highlight everything and then just type our new headline, Your Ultimate Garden Supply Store. And then to change an image, for example, let's just change this one right here. We can click on the gear icon, and then for image URL, we're going to click on this icon. And then what's really cool is that whenever you add your products from Zendrop into your ClickFunnels account, all of those product images are accessible inside your image gallery. So I'm gonna click on this product right here, and now I have the product for this first column. And then for this middle column, I'm going to add that garden mat. So I'm gonna click on that one, and there you go. Super easy to switch things out. And then now we need to update this link. So since this is a text link, we need to add the URL right over here. Now to get the URL, we first need to save this and then go back and then click on these 3 dots, click on preview page, and then up in my browser URL box, that's the URL. You can't see it in the screen right now, but I'm copying and pasting that URL. And then I'm gonna go back to my storefront page, and then I'm gonna go back to this text and then just add the URL right over here, then click on enter. So that's one way to link to your order form. Another way is to link it through a button. Okay, so I think that might be a better option. It looks more visually appealing. So I'm gonna click on add element and then click on button. And now I can design this button however I want to. There's a couple of other button styles. So if I click on number 2, it's this green color. And then number 3 is this more transparent color. I like this green one, so I'm gonna click on the number 2 style. And then for button action on click, I can click on go to and then put the URL right over here. Now to get that URL, I'm gonna first click on save, and then I'm gonna go to that second checkout page. Now you can also just click right over here to go to that next step of the funnel, and then just click on preview, and then I'm gonna copy that URL and then go back to my first step of the funnel. And then for this button, I'm gonna click on that gear and then paste the URL right over here. Okay, so it's added. Now I'm gonna click on save. So that's how easy it is to set up your storefront funnel. Now let's go to the order form and make some changes on this page, okay? Same as the first page, you can click on anything, change anything you want. Like for example, this white text, you can't really read it, right? So I'm gonna click on settings. And then for the style, I'm gonna see what other, okay, so it's just the size, but instead of white, let's just do, keep it black, all right? So I like that black headline. And then for complete your order below, I kind of want to make this a little smaller, so it's just one row. So I'm gonna click on settings, and then for style, I'm gonna click on S for small. Okay, perfect. So this is the page where they will learn everything they need to know about that product. So you can add your video here, you can add additional images. And again, Zendrop gives you tons of product images that you can use. So you can add them here, add your description, your text, explaining what the product is all about. And then this is the order form. Okay, so this is the contact information, shipping information, and then the product description with the pricing, delivery information. Lastly is the credit card information. Now this is just one style of the order form. There's also another style that I want to show you. So if you click on settings, this right-hand rail will pop up. And then for checkout steps, you can choose between 1, 2, or 3 steps. So right now this is 1 step, but if I do 2 steps, you can see it changes. So it's 2 steps, 2-step order form. So the first step is all just your general shipping information, right? The easy stuff. And then when they click on next, they will get taken to step 2, which is where they select the product, you know, how many they want, the delivery, and then the hard part, which is the payment information. Now, this is where they need to find their wallet, take out their credit card, add that information in, and then click on complete my order. Now, the reason why I like this 2-step checkout is because, say for example, on the first step, they're kind of thinking about it and maybe they don't want to end up buying it because they might be overthinking or too scared. So if they just do the first step, that's okay because you already have their contact information. So you can send them marketing campaigns to educate them about the product. And then in that email, that marketing email, you can link back to this order form for them to finish their purchase. So I really like this 2-step order form. So I'm going to leave it as this style and then click on save. So that's how easy it is to launch your first e-com store in 2025. So ClickFunnels has tons of templates, but if you want additional templates like lead templates, product launch templates, I have them all here for you that I created myself. You can grab this for free. The way to get that is by clicking the link in my description, and I'll send you a link to this Notion doc, which I update this on a regular basis. So you'll definitely want to bookmark this for a later time as well. So if you want access to that, you can click the link right here. That'll take you to that form where you can grab that free Notion doc. And feel free to click this video to watch my next one. Now, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by smashing that like button and also subscribing to my channel. Thank you.